Okay, this is a Kenmore model 1601. This is a top-of-the-line machine, and it's day. It is in excellent cosmetic condition. Looks like a brand new machine. It is the classic large deck Kenmore. It is tabletop ready, or it will need to go in a Kenmore carrying case or cabinet. Check my other listings, as we do try to keep Kenmore carrying cases available at all times whenever possible. This machine is a 1.2 amp machine, all metal. It has straight zigzag, multi-point zigzag, and blind stitch built in, or it uses the Kenmore C-cams, which are the ones that kind of look like a top hat. And that one right there is a double stack stretch or reverse cam. This machine will use either the regular or the double stack reverse cams. Very nice. Your cam goes in here. It's a very clean machine. It has adjustable stitch width. This is your stitch elongator. This is long, medium, short for your stretch stitches. This is your stitch length, reverse, and this is your pattern selector, and it has feed dog drop also, and this is your light. Bobbin winder on the top. Comes with original little stack of accessories, and this is the super high shank machine, and it does come with pretty much every foot imaginable that originally came with the machine. As you can see, the box is full of everything that came with it from the factory. Buttonholer, cams, screwdrivers, bobbins, and original instruction manual with the attachment instruction cards included. It's very hard to find all these super high shank feet, so that is a super good little bonus that comes along with it. And if you haven't had one of these machines, they're absolutely wonderful. This is one of my favorite models. If you have had one of these machines, you already know that, so you should grab it up before someone else does. Straight, go into a zigzag, 5mm zigzag. There's lots of clearance under the presser foot, which I'll get into that in just a minute. And this machine is serviced and ready to go. I'm going to put in a stretch cam. I'm going to do some stretch stitches. Turn it over to cam. And this is where your center stitch elongator comes into play. This, you can adjust the look of your cam pattern by using your short, medium, long dial. You push long, it'll stretch it out farther. If you bring it in short, it squeezes it together. Kind of just depends on how you want your design to look. This is the L-shaped reverse cam that I'm using. And I think that there's about 10 cams that come with it, or so, but all 30 cams that were made, the C cams, will work with this machine if you want to buy all 30 cams. Very nice stitch. Perfect stitch all the way around. Alright. Go back to regular. We'll take this cam out. 6 layers of denim. I wanted to also show you how much room is under the presser foot. This is 6 quarters. 6 quarters with room to spare. 7 quarters with still a little lift to give under the foot. Now, it doesn't mean it sews that thick. That means that there's less struggle getting your project underneath. This is 6 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Very nice. 14 layers of cotton. 3 layers of garment leather. It's a nice stitch on the leather. Even when it folded up there. And that is your Kenmore model 1601, complete with accessories and instruction manual.